What's going on, everybody? It's Chip Walton. I'm here at Northern Brewer HQ to go behind the brew on our Irish Red Ale beer recipe kit. This is one of our most popular beer kits year-round, but as you can imagine, it gets a lot of additional love around St. Patrick's Day as people brew it up for their parties and festivities. I brewed this beer recently using the brew in a bag method in our brew cave. The all-grain version of our Irish Red Ale includes a grist of base malt and a handful of specialty malts that achieve that deep copper red color, toasty sweet flavor, and medium body. We're talking 2-row pale, Belgian caramel pills, special roast, Belgian biscuit, and English chocolate malts. The extract version has the same bill of specialty malts that you steep before adding the malt extract that replaces the base malt. There is a bittering charge of Willamette hops at 60 minutes and a 30-minute flavor addition of U.S. Goldings. This provides low notes of black pepper spice, citrus peel, and stone fruit to the beer. While fermenting with an Irish or even English ale yeast strain might be more traditional, we actually suggest the use of something like Imperial Yeast A15 Independence or Y Yeast 1272 American Ale 2. These are both slightly more fruity and flocculent. They ferment soft and clean with just a slight bit of tart finish and a slightly nutty flavor. Heads up, if you've never used this strain, we have found it often creates a surprisingly massive and creamy krausen. It might take a couple of days longer than you're used to drop back into the wort, but it will eventually do so, so just give it a little extra time. Here are a couple fun customer reviews for this kit. Kevin says, "This is one of my favorite beers to make. NB's version is spot on with a nice color and just the right amount of bittering versus maltiness. I always get compliments when I make this beer and the keg never lasts long." Jacob Y coming through with a really cool modification idea. He says, "I really enjoyed this recipe. Great balance of flavors. I utilized Omega OYL 005 Irish Ale for the yeast and aged a batch with some oak chips. Would highly recommend." That sounds like an awesome idea. An oaked Irish Red Ale, maybe even a spirit-soaked oaked Irish Ale. Get a little whiskey or scotch in there maybe, but even just the naked oak chips, putting that wood influence in there, flavors wrapped around some of those rich malt flavors. Sounds awesome to me. So whether you're brewing it straight up or modifying it, brewing for St. Patrick's Day, or just looking for a year-round crowd pleaser, please check out Irish Red Ale at northernbrewer.com, available in extract and all grain versions.